In this video, we are going to troubleshoot and fix the E3 error on a dishwasher. What we have with us is a malfunctioning Faber dishwasher machine. No matter which brand you have, E3 error indicates abnormally long water heater time, which is when the incoming water temperature is too cold. Today we will learn how to fix this. First of all, this is not a technical issue, it's a hardware issue, and 99.9% of the times it is called by the malfunctioning of the heating element. So, you will need to call in the expert technician to replace the heating element. There is no other option if your dishwasher is not giving the hot water. Heating element is very difficult to repair and can only be replaced if it is under warranty. If your warranty has already passed, this is a very crucial component and will cost you anywhere between $50 to $100. The installation takes roughly about an hour. Once the heating element has been replaced with the new one, your dishwasher will be perfectly fine.